Next, proof number 47, and the concept is symmetry of the roots. Okay. So first of all, symmetric function of the roots or symmetry of the roots means if an expression or function in alpha and beta does not change on interchanging alpha and beta, then this expression or function is called symmetric function of alpha and beta. So it means, so here for example let us consider alpha power plus beta power 4. Okay, so this expression or this function does not change even we interchange alpha and beta. So replace alpha by beta and beta by alpha. So ఇక్కడ alpha place లో beta తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ beta place లో alpha తీసుకున్నా expression ఏమైనా చేంజ్ అవుతుందా, వాల్యూ ఏమైనా చేంజ్ అవుతుందా? No. This type of expressions or functions are called symmetric functions. Okay na? So here anyhow we consider alpha and beta. Okay na? Here roots are alpha and beta. So this function is called symmetric function in alpha and beta. Okay. Anyhow, if alpha comma beta are two roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a not equals to 0, a comma b comma c belongs to R means real numbers. Okay, then prove that alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 is equal to alpha plus beta whole power 4 minus 4 alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square minus 6 alpha square beta square. Okay, so this is one of the formula in symmetric function of the roots. Okay, so anyhow remember here roots are alpha and beta. Okay, alpha and beta. We are going to prove this formula. Okay, of course we can prove RHS is equal to LHS, but this is only simple. But here I am going to prove how LHS, this alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 is equal to this. Okay, here I am taking LHS. So RHS చేస్తే చాలా సింపుల్ ఈజీ, డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ చేస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది. బట్ LHS నుంచి RHS ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? ఓకేనా? So here LHS is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Okay? So I am going to prove this RHS from alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Okay. First let us consider alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Here alpha power 4 can be written as alpha square whole square. Beta power 4 nela raichu beta square whole square. Alpha power 4 nemo alpha square whole square rasanu, beta power 4 nemo beta square whole square raskunnanu. Okay, next. Now so look at this expression a square. This is like a square plus b square. A square plus b square. A square plus b square formula is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay na? A square plus b square formula into a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Let us apply this identity here. Remember here a is equal to alpha square and b is equal to beta square. Okay na? Put a is equal to, so okay, anyhow a square plus b square. Put a is equal to alpha square. So alpha square plus b is equal to beta square whole square minus 2 into a alpha square beta square. Okay na? Next. Again I am going to use same identity here. See again a square plus b square. Malli ide identity ikkada apply chestanu. I am going to use same identity. See a square plus b square formula a plus b whole square. So here now a is equal to alpha, b is equal to beta. In this case a is equal to alpha square, a square plus b square, b is equal to beta square. Whereas in this case a is equal to alpha, ikkademo a is equal to alpha, b emo beta. Now alpha plus beta whole square minus 2ab, 2 alpha beta whole square. Okay na? Here whole square is there, and remember here whole square is there, whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square minus 2 alpha square beta square. Now see a, this is a, alpha plus beta whole square equal to a, minus this is b, 2 alpha beta, this is b, this is a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, apply identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here A is equal to alpha plus beta whole square, B is equal to 2 alpha beta. Use this formula, then it becomes, here what is A? A is equal to alpha plus beta whole square. Here A is equal to alpha plus beta whole square. And what is B? B is equal to minus 2 alpha beta. Minus 2 alpha beta. Now apply this identity. So A minus B whole square. So first A square. A square means alpha plus beta whole square, again whole square. Okay. Minus 2AB. 2. A value alpha plus beta whole square. B value 2 alpha beta. Okay. Plus B square. B square means 2 alpha beta whole square. Okay. This one completed. Next minus 2 alpha square beta square. So let us simplify further. See, A power m whole power n. A power mn. 2 into 2 4. So alpha plus beta whole power 4. Okay. Minus 2 into 2 alpha beta. 4 alpha beta into alpha plus beta whole square. Here 2 alpha beta whole square means 2 square 4 alpha square beta square. 4 alpha square beta square minus again 2 alpha square beta square. Here 2 alpha square beta square minus 4 alpha square beta square minus 2 alpha square beta square emutundi 2 alpha square beta square avutundi. So write this as it is, alpha plus beta whole power 4 minus 4 alpha beta. See, apply identity, A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula, A square alpha square plus B square beta square plus 2AB 2 alpha beta bracket close plus 4 alpha square beta square. You will get 2 alpha square beta square. Okay. Next, bring down alpha plus beta whole power 4 as it is. Okay. Minus 4 alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta into plus 2 alpha beta. You will get minus 4 2s are minus 8 alpha beta and alpha beta, alpha square beta square plus 2 alpha square beta square. Okay, now next step we will get answer. See, alpha plus beta whole power 4 minus 4 alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square minus 8 alpha square beta square plus 2 alpha square beta square. You will get minus 6 alpha square beta square. This is equal to what? What is my LHS? We consider only alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. From this we derived this expression. Therefore, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 is equal to alpha plus beta whole power 4 minus 4 alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square minus 6 alpha square beta square. Hence, proved.